out my new spring 2021 collection pieces. We are doing the gold and silver collection. Check it out, it's so cute. We have bracelets, different style earrings, necklaces. I'm adding in more and more each week. This is also our turtleneck, our new walk-in jeans. They are so fabulous. At the bottom, there is a cut in the bottom right there. So comfortable. Hips tall, baby. So I just did a photo shoot this morning. Before I take out my outfit, I want to show it to you guys. So this is my new gold and silver spring collection. I'm getting the light a little bit better. Look at that. I love, love, love. I am back at home. It is time to get ready for the game. You guys, I'm loving this piece. I think I'm gonna wear it today. But not this outfit, this is too much for the game.